What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. I'm protected by Bruce Lee and Baby Yoda. Watch out. Those are my protectors. But today we're going to talk about Instacart, Aldi teaming up with Snap EBT. So you guys, please comment below. Please subscribe. Let's get into it. For you guys that deliver groceries, things like that. I've tried Instacart before. I don't know how you do it. Walking up 3 flights of stairs, delivering groceries, coming back down, going back up. But I guess it's great I did deliver to a lot of elderly people who had homes and different things like that, and that was awesome, helping them out. Instacart is making its grocery delivery and pickup services more accessible to lower income customers. Think about how much money they're getting ready to receive because of that, teaming up with EBT. Think about how many people has EBT Snap. That is a great thing as far as Instacart and making that extra money. Just like when EBT moved into like KFC restaurants, things like that. So this is the first time Instacart shoppers have been able to use the government assistance program when paying for groceries. Let's see, this including Amazon, Walmart, and others extending SNAP EBT to online grocery. Instacart's case, the option is being made available in partnership with Aldi, which will offer the ability for SNAP EBT participants to access fresh food, which is cool. You know, if you guys deliver or if you have EBT card, now you can get that delivered straight to your home. We are in a industrial revolution, sort of say, because of COVID-19, where people are going to receive more things delivered. And you guys got to keep in mind, drone delivery is on its way. So these companies are going to, we are in the beta testing program right now for delivery. Mostly everything is going to be delivered in the future. You guys let me know what you think about this. So the program will launch over the next few weeks and will arrive at Aldi's over 60 Georgia stores before expanding to over 570 stores across Illinois, California, Florida, Pennsylvania in the months ahead. Instacart says it runs its customer and shopper care team from Atlanta, which is one reason why it selected Georgia as the debut market. Adding, it was important to first support communities where the employees live and work. So if you guys in Georgia, you're going to be the first ones to get the benefit of this, you know. The introduction of Instacart's EBT SNAP payments comes at a time when food security in the U.S. has compounded as the nation continues to be impacted by COVID-19. A lot of things are driving the market like this because of COVID-19. We're just in that time where if you are an innovator, you can make things happen in this day and time with this pandemic going on. So you guys, this is from TechCrunch. I love TechCrunch. I also post things like this on my blog, which is financierpro.com. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to make one more video today. And let's get to it. See you guys next time. Let me know what you think about this. Instacart teaming up with Aldi. This could be beneficial for a lot of people. See you guys next time.